Rest in peace, Ernie, president of Joe's Wee Shop. Time to go kill them. I know you stole my Wii. Here's my Wii.
I told you I don't have it anymore.
Mickey, what do you offer me now? You have the Wii.
Where's the octopus?
The who?
I need to know where the octopus is.
The who?
The octopus! Your friend who you gave the Wii!
I'll never tell you. You'll never find out.
You'll never tell me?
Never.
Well, then you're coming to my investigatory.
No, not the investigatory.
Ah!
Mickey. Mickey. Mickey! Mickey! Are you ready to talk, Mickey? Where is the octopus you gave the Wii to?
He's in the crack house.
Crack house.
Yes, the crack house.
Fuck you, Mickey.
Okay. Can I go now?
No, you've seen too much. 5 years of with me is...
They were the best 5 years of my life, dude.
Oh, you're gay. Bah! Bah! Bah!
You can't shoot gay people. We're gay.
I was born in the 70s. I hate gay people. Bye, 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 bye. Where's my Wii?
Guys, he's here. He's getting his Wii. He's getting his Wii. Guys, he's here. He's here.
Oh, fuck. He's here. He's here.
Two down. Time to get my Wii. Where are you, octopus? Oh shit!
Don't have any guns.
Oh shit, I don't have any guns.
Die, you handless bitch.
Okay, I'm dead now.
Okay. Dumb bitch.
You'll never get your Wii! Y'all finna get shot.
Oh shit. Here's a fucking AR.
Oh, I'm out. That's bad. Time to get punched.
Oh, finally. Now's my shot. Oh, fuck him up too. Put thine hands up.
Where's my Wii?
Bullshit.
My Wii. With this, I can now go back to the grave. Thank you, Mickey. Fuck, this is heavy. Let me use my other non-alive hand.
Joe, is that really you?
Yes, I got the Wii back.
Wow. Type shit, man.
Yes, very type shit.
Hey, can I ask you one more question before you go to the afterlife?
Yes.
Why is it called Joe's Wee Shop if your name's Ernie?
It's named after my gay lover. Okay, see you later.
I thought you were homophobic.
Because I am homophobic. I can finally go back to the grave. Okay, take me out of your ass. I mean, out of my ass. Fuck. Ugh. Goodbye.